Hey everybody, my name's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It will mean the world to me. All right, first up, we do have a cheese flight. We are making a charcuterie board at Costco. Super excited. All right, the cheese flight is one of my favorite things. They come out with it every year and it's a little bit different almost every time. This has 5 different cheeses available. You don't have to buy all of these cheeses in a huge bulk. If you want to create a really beautiful charcuterie board, $23.99 on the cheese flight. And then Mediterranean antipasti. This one just brings another element to your charcuterie board if you want to have a little bit more variety when it comes to pairing things with crackers and cheeses. These just look delicious, and it is a 6-pack, $16.79. And then over here is the meat section. So if you want a variety of meats, I would suggest picking up one of the variety packs. This one has 3 different meats, so you will have something for everybody. $9.99, not too expensive. And then we will move on over here. This one's actually a 4-pack, so you get 4 different meats. So maybe the 4-pack is better because you have a little bit more variety. It's totally up to you. This one will be just slightly pricier because it is the 4-pack variety. It does have a peppered meat and the prosciutto in there, so it will give you a really nice balance. This one's $11.99, and then if you only want the prosciutto, then you can definitely grab this, or if you want it to be a little bit of a heavier prosciutto board, then definitely grab it. $11.99 just for this kind. And then next we have the crackers and other things. So these are the savory pastry sticks. I think that this would just be a really fun addition to a charcuterie board because it brings a different texture, a different element, something fun to look at. And they probably taste really good. I haven't tried these, so drop down below if you tried these in the comment section. $8.99. And then over here we have organic. So if you prefer being more organic when it comes to this kind of stuff, these are the organic everything bagel chips. These would pair great with the antipasti and the cheeses. So definitely grab these if this is your style. $7.99. And then over here is a variety pack when it comes to crackers. So if you don't want to buy a bunch of different styles, just grab a variety pack. It has 3 different flavors, 5 packs, so you will not run out of crackers. I highly recommend a variety pack to have a little bit for everybody when it comes to flavors. And then there's also a gluten-free option available next to it. This one is the garlic and herb Simple Mills Organic. If you have anybody that is gluten-free, this is a very nice alternative because it still gives that garlicky herb flavor and you're not just eating a plain cracker. $10.89. And then over here we have the organic if you still want to stick in the organic section. Milton's multigrain. It is not a variety pack, so it will only be this one flavor, but with all of the goods, it will be tasty. Let me know down below if any of you have made a delicious charcuterie board. I want to hear all about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It helps me out greatly. And I will see you guys all next time. Thank you and be safe out there.